Is your Cricket wireless phone acting up, freezing, or just not working right? Don't smash it just yet. This video will show you how to reset it and get it running smoothly again. First, let's try a soft reset. The easiest fix: simply hold down the power button until you see the power menu appear. Tap restart. This will reboot your phone without deleting any data. If a soft reset doesn't do the trick, you can clear the phone's cache to resolve issues with apps not functioning. Navigate to Settings. Then tap Apps, then choose whichever app is not functioning properly. Tap Storage. From here you can clear the cache by tapping the Clear Cache button. When all else fails, a factory reset or hard reset is your last resort. Remember, this will erase everything, so back up your important data first. Go to Settings, then General Management, and tap Reset. Choose Factory Data Reset. Read the warning carefully, then scroll to the bottom and tap Reset. You might need to enter your PIN or password. Your phone will now restart and go through the initial setup process, just like when you first got it. If you're still having problems, check your phone's manual or the Cricket Wireless website for more specific instructions for your model. Now you're equipped to troubleshoot your Cricket wireless phone like a pro.